Hi everyone, Liz here. Thanks for stopping by. So today I've got a little teeny tiny package to unpack for you. And this one's come from the Megayouput store on AliExpress. I have had items from them before and I've been really pleased with them. So I've ordered some new things. So let's get into this package and have a look. Okay, we have one item. Oops. One item in a box, and then we have some more little items. Let's have a look at these. Okay, let's put the box on one side for a moment. So we have two reindeers and a snowman. Are the reindeers different? Yeah, two different reindeers and a snowman. Okay, and these are new items that I've not seen before. Well, I have not had before. I don't know whether anybody's unboxed them or not. I've not seen anything. So let's have a look at the first one. What shall we look at? What shall we look at? Let's have a look at this first one. Okay, so this is a special drill. So we've got lots of sparkle. Okay, so our drills, lots of nice colours. Oh, and an AB there as well, I think. Oh yes, a red AB. Ooh. Basic toolkit, your pen, your wax and your bolt, and it is a little bottle bag, and I just thought these were really cute. So if you're wanting to put, say, a bottle of wine or a bottle of champagne or even a bottle of beer for somebody for Christmas, I just thought these were a lovely idea. And the other thing I like about them as well is if you are actually, say, putting a bottle on the table at Christmas, then you can put it in a little drawstring bag. You'll still be able to pour out of the top and it just makes it a bit more of a decoration. Sorry, there's a bit of glare there, isn't there? Let me just grab a bottle. I won't be a second. I've got a bottle of Prosecco. I think somebody bought us it as a present last Christmas and we've not drunk it yet. So let's see. Oh yeah, it fits in. Okay. It'd be no good if it didn't fit in. And yeah. So, and we'll draw the strings up. So yes, so if you're wanting to use it on your table at Christmas, you can have a nice little Rudolph, and you've got your bottle of wine there, and it'll also catch the drip, so you can just put a tissue or a little serviette or something around the edges. But yeah, I thought that was quite a nice idea. I am pleased of the size of them as well, because obviously you don't want to get them and then find that they're too small. But yeah, that's a really good size and that fits in there really well. So that's that one. Okay, so we've got Rudolph there. Let's have a quick look. The drill feels lovely and clear, look. And even the stars and the little sparkles around him are going to be drilled. So let me just do a quick measure. Okay, so he is about 14 inches, which is 36-ish centimetres, by just under 6 inches, which is 15 centimetres. Okay, it is a nice quality. It's like, I don't know if you can get that. It's like a Hessian fabric. Yeah, that's showing up. So yeah, so it's like a red Hessian, really nice and soft, not like a sack. It's really, really soft. But that's quite a big piece to diamond paint as well. I would recommend sealing this as well if you are putting it around a bottle, because obviously it's going to get handled. Okay, let's have a quick look at these drills. So now I'll have to keep them, mind you, what I'll do is probably put the drills inside the bag, because there's nothing actually on this other than on your packet, which I don't like keeping these packets, to indicate where the drills belong to. There is a kit number there, which I believe will be, yeah, TB011 is on the packet that it came in, but if that does get separated, you've nothing to tell you which ones it belongs to. So, wow, we have some lovely aqua colour and a blue and a brown. These are all crystals, you know, standard crystals. Well, they're acrylic crystals. And then look at that lovely pinky red AB colour that we've got there. And then we've got a gold and a blue. And then your specials are some little white pearl teardrops. I've not had those before. And some, oh yeah, some little stars on the top of your AB rounds. And some little teardrop gold. Let's see if we can get that to focus. There you are. And then some silver stars, which are the ones that go all the way around him. So they're really, really pretty. Quite a nice little sort of hours project probably to do. So put all those inside there. And then let's have a look at the next one. This is the next Rudolph. This is exactly the same toolkit, and there's your drills there, but this one is in black. So, oh, that's really sweet. He's got snowflakes around him. He's got all little snowflakes, but they're just so happy and jolly and smiley. Just rather than buying paper or card bottle bags, if you're wanting to give somebody a present, I just think this makes it extra special, and you've done the work making the little bag as well there. Okay, so let's have a quick look at these gems. They look pretty similar. Okay, just take those out. So we have, ooh, those little like gold marquees. I've had those a couple of times now in special drills. And then some like fire red larger marquees. Those lovely ABs, they really are going to look pretty, those reds. Your standard white there, your acrylic drills. And then we've got gold, and we've got orange in this one. Ooh, and a pale green. And your brown. So lots of nice gems. No special drills in this one. Oh yes, there is. Oh, they're the specials. Oh dear, they're for the snowflakes. Oh dear, I'm going balmy. So I'll pop those into there. Okay. And then the last one of these bottle bags. Say I don't do things by half. I'm ordering one, I might as well have 3. Okay, so this one, again, same toolkit. It's enough to just do your project. And this one is a snowman. So I thought that was quite pretty. Actually, they look quite good. You've got 2 reindeers looking in and a snowman smiling in the middle. I should have got that one in black, shouldn't I? And then I'd have had the 2 reds on the outsides. Anyway, never mind. They're going on bottles. They're not. They're not going on the walls. Right, so let's just have a quick look at these drills. Oh, there's separate bags on this one. Okay, so we have got the red again. We have, oh, an AB white on this one for your snowman. And blue. And an orange will be his carrot nose. And a gold and a blue. And again, the reddy pinky colour is lovely. And a pale green. And then the specials are a marquee sort of silvery colour. And oh, little teardrops in like a jadey colour. Come on, focus, focus, that's it. And around, oh, look at that one. I like that one. That one's like a round, like a aqua colour. Yeah, it's like aqua and purple, that one. Really pretty. And then just your, oh no, that's AB coated as well. It's like a purpley blue colour, that one. So yeah, that's those. Okay, but I just thought these were just a bit of fun. I think they were about £3-ish each, £3 or £4 each. So, you know, quite a nice little present. I mean, you can pay that for sort of a gift box or a gift bag for a bottle of wine these days. So, you know, they're quite a reasonable price. And then the other item. This again is something I've not had before. think. Maybe see the on the front there. And this is a picture. Okay. Just move the box. Right, so, ooh, okay. Strange. Same toolkit again, so good consistency with the toolkits. And it's a little frame. And it lights up. And then your diamond painting just slots into the frame. You can just see you've got slots all the way around there. I would suggest diamond painting it while it's in the frame. I'm not quite sure why. Yeah, you wouldn't be able to take it out once it's been diamond painted, because once you've got gems on here, it's not going to go through that little slot there. But yeah, it lights up. So let's see if we've got a battery and light this one up. Okay. Which way around does it go? Ooh. Oh, it needs more than one battery. Okay. Oh, this is going to be hit and miss then as to how many batteries we put in. I think maybe it's 2. Let's try. See if 2 batteries is what we're putting in. Oh yeah, 2 fit in. And let's just pop that back on there. And let's just turn it on. Okay, strangely enough, so it will just light up the bottom there. It's a bit glary on here, so I'll just switch that off. But strangely enough, this one has a little bit of a problem with its connection, because if I switch it on, I've got glow there, and when I put the back on, it switches it off. Yeah, this bit of plastic is moving the batteries and removing the connection. So once that's in, the light's going out. So that's not very good. I'll have to get in touch with Megayouput and just see what they say about that. So I'll switch it off. And yeah, but okay. But I just thought this was a little bit different. I've got sort of like the ones where the light, you stand it on a base and it lights up from the bottom, but this one just lights up. But that's not brilliant. That's yeah, it's just got sort of like little LED lights all across the bottom there. You can't really see. No, there's too much glare, unfortunately. You can't really see, but it's like there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 little LED lights all across the bottom. I'll just put that in. Well, yeah, what I'll have to do is just do it like that for now. So then we have these little stands. So are these going to, where are these going to go? Okay, so we have these 2 little plastic sort of stands, and if I'm honest, I'm not really sure how these go. I suppose they could go in there and then it would stand like that, quite possibly, but then that doesn't really go in there. It doesn't really fit. No, they don't really fit in those holes. You'd have to do some mega force to get that to stick in there. So whether that's right or not, I don't know. Don't think there are any. There's 2 little things there. I mean, if you took those out, I think they're going to be exactly the same size. So whether they come out and you put your picture, oh no, because then if you put your picture the other way up, it's going to fall out. So that's not good either. So I would probably just hang this on the wall, possibly. Yeah, no, that's going to be no good. So I do think that they're supposed to go into there, and then it will stand with those sort of like that. But how you actually get those in there, I'm not sure. No, they are not going in those holes, so I'll maybe shave a little bit off, or I'll maybe just write and ask manufacturers and just say, what do I do with these? And by the way, this doesn't work very well. But it is a very, very pretty picture with your Merry Christmas and your little teddy at the bottom and your tree. And we've got a little car and a ball there and some presents to open. Look, we've got a bag there as well. No bottles of wine though. Okay, so let's have a quick look at these drills. Okay, nice little quick projects again to do this one, but quite effective. And oh, look at those. Wow, I've not had those before. Oh, look, AB coated snowflakes. They are mega awesome. Love them. Wow, sparkly snowflakes. Oh, like those. Oh, well, that makes up for the stand. We'll have a bit of sparkle. So we've got an AB coated yellow there. And we've got a red crystal gem. And an orange. And a brown. Aqua blue. And a silver. And then some large green faceted marquees, which will go for your holly. Some red, they're just half spheres, which will be the holly berries. And then that's a round silver and lots of little gold stars. But oh, they are superb. Look at those. How many do we need and how many have we got? Let me have a look. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8. Oh, we've got spares. We've got spares. Oh, wow. Oh, that's wonderful. Love that. Love that. Look at those. Sparkly. Oh, wow. Okay. Yep. So I will let you know in a future video or at the end of this one if I get a reply from Megayouput. But yeah, I'm not quite sure how they go on. So I do think that they will just go on the back like that. They're supposed to go in those holes and it's supposed to stand like that, but they are not going in there. But it is a very pretty picture and their snowflakes are wonderful. And then we have bottle bags. Wow. Oh, nice little haul, very Christmassy. And I could start singing, but I'd better not because it's not raining at the minute, but it may do later. Okay, well, I hope you've enjoyed seeing these with me. If you have, just give me a thumbs up, which is the little button just down here. And if you want to see what I get up to next and see these completed, if you press subscribe, you'll be notified when my next videos come out. It's just the little button down here and the little bell. Okay, thanks ever so much for stopping by. Hope to see you all again soon. Bye for now.